Renew registration. If you have submitted your CPD cycle, you may apply for the renewal of your registration. An incomplete CPD cycle would not allow you to apply to renew your registration. To start the process, you will select the Professional Development module on the homepage. Select Renew Registration. Click Create. The submitted CPD cycle will be populated together with your personal information. There may be additional information required for you to add. You may also edit the information displayed. Step 2. Contains your residential as well as postal address. Your employer details will only show if you selected the employed status in the previous step. Step 3. Accept the terms and conditions and submit your application. You will then receive a message that your application was completed successfully. Should you require technical support, please email us on cpd@ecsa.co.za for CPD-related queries. engineer@ecsa.co.za for all other queries. Call our customer service centre at 0861 225 555.